Next in CSS, we are going to work with gradients. So gradient helps us to show smooth transit from one color to another. So this is our HTML code, and here within head section, I'm creating one class. Name of that class is one. First, we have to get style tag, and within style tag, this is our one class. And here I'm giving width of 400 pixel, height of 400 pixel, border to be 1 pixel, solid black. Now we need to put this box in the center, so margin auto. This is going to horizontally align the box. We need to bring the box little down from the top margin, so margin top, here I'm giving is 100 pixel. And here within body, this is our div, and we have assigned a class 1 to it. Save it and go live. So right now this is our box. Now linear gradient. Linear gradient comes under background image, or we can write background also. It doesn't come under background color. So here we are giving linear gradient. I'm writing just background, and here I'm writing linear gradient, and here within the bracket we can specify the color. I'm giving 4 color right now: red, green, yellow, and blue. Save it. So right now our box is looking like this. Red is at its top, then green, then yellow, and then blue. Now we want that these colors should go from right to left. So what can we do here? Here we have to write to right. Save. So we can see that it is going towards right. Red, green, yellow, and blue. Instead of right, if we write left, it is going to change. So red is at its right side, then green, yellow, and blue. We can write from top, and then from bottom to bottom. Save. Now instead of top, right, left, and bottom, we can here write like this also: to bottom, right. Save. So it is going from corner of the left side and going up to bottom right. Now here we can specify angles also. So here I'm removing this. If I write here 0 degree, then it is looking like this. Instead of 0 degree, if we specify here 45 degree, we can see that these colors are making an angle of 45 degrees. Here if it is 90 degree, it is straight line. 120 degree is like